So in the last video, we did an event so that when we fall off of here, it resets our position. So you remember what that looks like. It is when the Y position big guy is greater than 1500, change the position and set him back to his original coordinates. I want to do another event now, and the thing that I want to address is that big guy currently is using the left, right arrow keys and space to jump. And I actually think that's wrong. I think it should be up arrow to jump. And I want to use the space key anyway later on for shooting things. So I'm going to go into, firstly, big guy, edit object. Now, I've had a look before, and often it's worth just paying attention to what's going on. You may not have noticed with platformer object, we've got this default controls tick box, and that is left, right for the arrow keys and spacebar to jump. I'm going to turn that off, and we're going to do the same things, but with events instead. So in this event sheet, remember last time when we added an event, we had a condition, it was on big guy. And this time, I'm going to go under other conditions, which is worth looking at. There's a lot of valuable stuff here. And under keyboard, scrolling down, we've got when key pressed. And I'm going to do this as left arrow pressed. So if I scroll down here, there is a left arrow option somewhere. Can you see it? Somewhere down here. Can I just type in left? There we go, left. Cool. So when the left key is pressed, add action, and this time it's big guy, and because he's a platformer object, he's got a bunch of platform things that we can do. And one of the things that we can do is simulate pressing a key. In this case, left key press. Cool. So now when the left key is pressed, he'll simulate pressing left. If I click here, I can do a Control-C, Control-V, and I'm going to do Control-V again. So now I'm going to change this, double-click it, and change this to right. Click OK. I'm going to simulate, this is going to be simulate pressing right, and then I'm going to do this one is going to be the jump. So when the left key is going to be the up arrow is pressed, we're going to simulate the pressing jump. Where's jump? There. So you can't see what I'm doing on my keyboard here, but trust me, would I lie to you? I am going to be using the arrow keys and up arrow to jump. What we're going to do actually is we're going to give you the option, yeah, lovely, and if the space key worked, that would be because I hadn't actually turned off the default controls. So what I'm going to do in the next video is we're going to add another guy and make it, this is a two-player game. We'll see what that looks like.